Hello everyone, and we will continue our stretching back. So I will show you now some exercises which help to stretching your back and feel good. So what we'll start to do, we will get seat and working with hands. We take it 1, 2, 3. Take 1, 2, 3. Then we will slide slowly down and stretching our hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change side and working with our back. So we'll take our hands on different sides and take our feet, catch and stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change another side. So catch our leg. Here you need to do very slowly, because if you do that fast, you can hurt your back. So be careful and do this slowly. So good work. How to take in your bridge position. So we will get down, our feet more for ourselves, and we will push our hands like that. After that, we will try to take up our body. So pushing up and going down. 2, good work. 3, 4, and last one we will get step. After that, we will try to take our hands more forward and going down. So it's 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Good work. We can go down, relax, take your hands, and then we will try and take up. Okay, and what we will do? We will take our hands not so close. We will get little bit down, and then I will push my shoulders behind and stretch with my legs. So like that. And take 1 knee. So 1, change. 2, change. 3, change. 4, change. 5, change. Good work. Slowly go down and take your hands and take your knees more for yourself, that your back not pain, and breathe. Okay, after that we will get up. And what we will do now? We will now going on our elbows and then take up. Good work. 2 and up and 3 and stay on our elbows and take stretching our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And now we'll slowly get back. Take our breath and relax. Slowly slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I will hope that you like this video. Takes me good comments and will watch my another video, because I will do videos for you that you have good training and good stretch. So bye bye.